Hi, I'm Shaheen Sadeghi, and I am the CEO of Lab Holding. Anaheim Packing House, where we're sitting, is a 1919 building. It was originally a packing facility for sun-kissed oranges, and it's a huge part of our history here in Southern California, and particularly in Anaheim. These buildings are pretty amazing. They're wood structures. It's a cultural part of what California was all about. Many of them burned down. We were fortunate enough to have this one survive, and you really have to thank the leaders of the city for having the vision to not tear it down and build condominiums. The project was really a blast for us to work with, like an old ship that we took apart, put it all back together, so everything in here is original. We had a very successful opportunity to work with the historical analyst in cutting the middle floor out, which was, I think, the biggest movement that happened here, which activated both the upper and the lower level. We took that opportunity to also build a stage in there, which really just kind of became sort of the heart and soul to activate the building. And of course, there was a lot of risk involved, not only just from having to rehab the building, but this idea of having all these local artisans come together. The task of opening 30-something restaurants at the same time was really daunting.
When we drove here to check the place out, it's clearly dilapidated area.
We had a special program here. It was called Plug and Play. So it was an opportunity for young entrepreneurs to come in and be able to go into business without going through the full, what I call, torture process.
Trust in the curator, trust in Shaheen. We believed in what he could offer.
So it's about localization, personalization, and customization as opposed to homogenization, which has been a big part of our story.